Hey, what's going on, guys? Access Manager Team Nocturnal. It's been a while since I've done a video. I've been kind of busy with work and stuff lately, so I finally got some free time myself. As you can see, Ubuntu Mobile has been released. I think it's the preview version. This is for the Nexus 7, 10, and 4. I have the Nexus 4 right here. So I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu Mobile on your Nexus 4. The first thing you want to do with your phone is you want to make a backup of your operating system, anything on your storage, because I'm not sure, but I think this might wipe your phone completely. So what you want to do is, if you're on a custom ROM, you want to reboot into recovery, and you want to go either TWRP or CMW, whatever you have installed, and you want to go in there and do a backup of your basically all you have to do is back up your system and your data. Don't back up the cache and all that stuff. So what you want to do is you want to create backup, and you want to back up your boot, data, and system. You can set up backup name, which I usually do. So I'm gonna put PA 3.0 because that's what I'm using, and I'll put .2 because I have 2 of them on here. So hit go, let it do its thing, and let it do its backup. This will take a little while, so go ahead and take a break, whatever, get your stuff ready. What you want to get ready is you want your micro USB cable. If you're in Ubuntu on your computer and you do not have your MTP configured for this device, boot into Windows or find a Windows computer and back up your storage on to your computer through a folder. If you do have that if you do have the Ubuntu set up already, then you can go ahead and mount your phone and transfer your files. But I don't have it set on my Ubuntu yet. I've been tight on time, so I haven't had time to really set it up. So I'm going to have to reboot into Windows, make a backup of this real quick, come back to Ubuntu, and I'll show you the following steps on how to install Ubuntu Mobile on your Nexus 4. Alright, so we're back in Windows real quick. What I did was I made a folder on my desktop called Nexus 4. You can name it wherever you want. And then I have my Nexus already mounted. So basically what you want to do is you want to copy any folders that you may need to save. Basically DCIM, that's your pictures. So you have music, you have another picture folder here. This is basically the stuff that I usually save here. AOSP themes, because when I change ROM, I install those a lot. Let's see what else here. Titanium backup is a big one. TWRP or CWM. Whatever recovery you have, save the folder for recovery because that's where your backup's going to be. And I believe that should be it. Oh yeah, the ROMs folder, of course. Got some ROMs in it. And I will save the Goo Manager folder. I think that's all I need. Notification, movies, podcast, Tumblr, Red Laser. No. Alright, so yeah, these folders here, just drag them into your Nexus 4 folder, and give it some time to copy these files. It's going to take a little while here. So you can go ahead and take another break, do what you gotta do. I don't know, it depends how big. It depends how much stuff you have on your phone. Me in this case, I have a lot of music on there and a lot of backups and stuff like that. I change ROMs constantly. So yeah, just take a break, let this thing copy, do its thing. Alright, so the Nexus is all backed up in this folder here. As you can see, it has all this stuff here, Titanium backup, Team Win Recovery, has all its backups in there. There's a PA 302 I made, and there's some other junk in there, which I actually don't need those, so I can delete them. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is reboot back into Ubuntu and continue with the installation process for Ubuntu Mobile on the Nexus 4. It should be the same process for the Nexus 7 as well. I'll do that video later if you guys need it, but it should be the same thing. I don't see the point in making a bunch of videos for the same kind of install. Alright guys, so what you're going to do is you're going to navigate to your Ubuntu page. I'll have a link under this video for this page right here. And basically you're going to go down to desktop setup, step 1, open terminal, and basically just copy and paste everything that is on here into your terminal. Going to ask for your password. Oh, sorry, whoops. Pop in your password there. Hit enter to continue. It's going to tell you what package you want installed, and then we're going to update. This is so we can install the new packages. Sometimes it could take a while depending on your internet connection, but this is almost done. So, do I want to continue? You hit yay, Y for yes. Got some updates in here too, it looks like. Let's see here. Yeah, do this later. So that may take a little while, so go ahead and let that finish installing, and then we'll go ahead and do the step. Well, step 2 is device unlock. If you're not already unlocked, you can unlock your bootloader. It tells you right here what to do. It's very easy, you know. It's basically booting the bootloader. You know, open terminal, hit fast boot OEM unlock, and then you hit your options. Yeah, you want to unlock and blah blah, and you unlock. Then you want to do your device setup. It says boot in Android, turn on USB debugging, which we already have. It's already enabled my phone. Let's see. Say the build number. Okay. And it says deploying image to device. Alright, so follow step 4. Step 3 is basically just telling you to turn on Android ADB. Let's see, depending on the image, how to show device, those keys, show device, workstation. Okay, yeah. Step 3, just follow step 3 if you have any problems. But it looks like it's basically it's driver stuff like that. Make sure your phone can communicate with the computer, which I'll show you how to do it right now. If you use Ubuntu and you have ADB already set up, you can type in ADB devices. No, that's not what I hit. What the hell I pushed it? Whoops, let me see. ADB devices. Oops, I hit the wrong button. So it should show your Nexus 4, which is right there. Now to confirm that is your device, unplug your phone and hit it again, and now nothing comes up. So we know we're connected. Do it again, make sure it's there, and there it is again. Alright, so let's go ahead and copy it in the next step, which is step 4. And let's see what it says here. Do you want to accept? Type in yes. And now it is downloading the image for the device. So give that some time and let it do its thing. I just want to show you something. As you can see, it already detected what device I have. Let me see it. Show you right there. You see it says Mako. That is the Nexus 4 right here. The Nexus 4 code name is Mako. So it's already, you know, detecting my phone. I don't know if it's the same setup for the Nexus 7. I'll do one on Nexus 7 too to see if it does the same thing, like detects the device for you and automatically knows what to download. But yeah, it's going pretty quick though. I mean, I'm getting about maybe a megasecond average on this. It's at 57%, so it's going pretty quick. So this is almost done. Let's see here. It says the -B, because we typed in phablet hyphen flash space hyphen B. Let's see. Performs a full bootstrap on the device. If the device is already unlocked, it will carry on. If you have already bootstrapped, want to install a daily just use. Okay, so for your first time, you would do, you know, phablet hyphen flash space -B. If you already installed Ubuntu and you want to install an update, you would just put in phablet hyphen flash, and that will install the latest Ubuntu shell onto your phone or tablet. So you see here, actually it's downloading more stuff here. Oh, okay, so it's actually doing all of them, I think. Let me see. No, okay, I don't know. Not reading through this code right now, but so yeah, it's downloading more files here. And that's pretty much it. And then it tells you how to restore Android. Basically, it tells you to run some other stuff here. I'm thinking that all you have to do is download your recovery and put into your ADB folder. Hit fast boot flash recovery space and the recovery name, and then boot into recovery. Throw some ROMs on the phone or your backups from whatever recovery you had. Restore your backup. You should be good to go. I'm thinking I'll read more into it, but I'm pretty sure that's all you would need. Let me see. Factory independent device install based on tablets. Alright, yeah, so it has factory images for your device. Where were they at? Some early. Here you go. So I'm guessing you click on, let's see, Nexus 4, click on this, and let's see what it takes us here. Factory images, yeah. So what you would do is you just download a factory image for your device and pop it back on your phone. I want to try the other way I just said though, where you flash the recovery and then restore your phone and see if that works. Okay, if that's the case, I'll just do that because I really don't feel like flashing factory images, to tell you the truth. I didn't do a full update to the latest image because of the radios. They disable your LTE. I don't want to deal with that crap. So yeah, let us finish downloading and I'll continue this install and see how it goes. Alright, so the files are all downloaded and now it's pushing them to the Nexus 4's SD card as a autodeploy.zip file. So this is pretty exciting. I was just informed by Rohan, as one of my lead developers, that you can also download this as a 2-part zip and flash it via recovery, your stock recovery on your phone, and it'll install just fine. So I'll have a link for those as well under this video, and I have a full detailed guide on my website. So if you have any questions, you can post them on the forums. I don't really reply to the video questions too much. I don't really have time to log in YouTube a lot. But the forums I have more time because when I'm on the road I have tablet talk. So yeah, I'll have links under the video for all this with a detailed guide, like I said, for this install, which is for terminal, and the recovery install if you already have a recovery install on your phone. So I'll let us go ahead and push this thing, and then we'll see what happens to the phone after this. Alright, now it's asking for my password again, so go ahead and type in your password for your system. Now it's actually in bootloader, erasing my system now, and it says sending the system image to the phone. So yeah, it says erasing system, sending system, writing system. So right now it's writing the system to the phone, doing its thing, and let's see, install the boot image, said OK. Now it is installing via the stock recovery. So let's see what happens after this. Okay, so the phone's rebooting right now, and let's see how fast the thing boots up. Okay, so it's booted up, but I don't know if it's me or I don't have yeah, it's not. Oh wait, there it goes. Okay, so I guess it was still doing its thing here. Oh wow, this is pretty cool. So let's see, drop down. Yeah, it's got drop down. It's like a bunch of sample stuff. Looks like clear all. Okay. So I guess it's basically like, I guess it comes with pre-installed data on this thing. Let's see, volume. Don't really show the volume. Shows, let's see here, networks, date and time. Okay, so my wireless network showing up. but I don't want that. Let's see here. Well, phone calls, the phone works. Let's see, how do I get back to the home screen here? Yes, this is a little learning curve here. This is completely different from you know, from Android. So I guess I gotta learn the gestures here, how to get the home screen and all that stuff, because I don't have any home buttons. You know, it's a Nexus. Let's see here. I guess I gotta swipe side to side. There's the dollar, device. Gotta figure out how to go back home though. I don't know, but this is Ubuntu on the Nexus, so let's see how this works out. Yeah, it's different for sure. Gotta wipe all this data off my phone. Let's see what happens when let's see. So okay, so I guess you gotta swipe to the side to get past your lock screen. Okay. So yeah, I just gotta find, I guess, the settings menu in here. See the camera works on this. Yeah, the camera works. That's cool. It looks pretty good too. Let's see how. Yeah. Alright then. Well, let me play around a little bit and I'll make a video of a review, I guess, and how to use it. Until then, it's X Magical showing you how to install Ubuntu Mobile on your Nexus 4.